The clutch grinder holder is the safe, secure way to turn your grinder into a mini chop saw for cutting pipe, rebar, or tubing. You can attach the heavy-duty cast iron base to a workbench or table. Then bolt your 4.5 or 5-inch angle grinder onto the quick clamp. The clamping fence swings the workpiece from 0 to 45 degrees to get it into the right position for the day's project. The holder's aluminum stand features a handle for better control of the cutting wheel. With the clutch grinder holder, precise cuts are just a quick clamp away.